Goedendag dames en heren. Vandaag zijn we hier in Brussel en hebben wij de Belgische AXA Bank naar haar mening over de wereldwijde economie gevraagd. Kijkt u mee naar het volgende interview. What is your vision on the recovery of the worldwide economy?
Well, I think the worldwide economy is really recovering. So it's a real recovery and it's sustainable. Of course, we have had a lot of stimulus packages and central bank stimulus with lower rates that helped it a lot. So as long as they are there, there is no question about the solidity of it. We have two types of recovery. A strong one in emerging markets, which have been less impacted, and a weaker one in US and Europe.
And how could you apply this recovery on the stock markets?
Well, what's interesting is that since the low point of the stock market of March 11 of 2009, we had a strong rally. But this rally has been concentrated on high cyclical, high risky stocks, small caps, high yield, so the risky part of the market. The defensive portion of the market, the consumer staples, the utilities, the telecoms, the healthcare, have done much less. So I think going into the future, it would be more interesting to go into those sectors.
Now the market at this moment is very turbulent. Does this turbulent market bring benefits for investors?
Well, the market has reached a volatility of 80% in October of last year and was above 60% at the beginning of the year. This is the equivalent of a heart attack of the market. Volatility is the sign of stress. So it's not very good for investors, in fact. It's good for speculators, very specialized investors, but investors in general don't like volatility. So now the volatility have come down a lot on equity to our historical level around 25-30%. And this is the normal level of risk that you have to take in order to make return. So I would say now that we're in a more normalized environment, it's a good time to come back on equities.